Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu order history. Whether you are looking to clean up your account or just prefer not to have your past orders listed, I will walk you through the process. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Temu app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can see the search bar. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see all the order history that you have searched for. Now tap on to the little delete icon on the right corner. Now you can see the cross sign on the every order list that you have searched. Now simply tap on to the cross sign on whichever you want to delete. So this is how you delete the order history on your Temu app on your iPhone. If you need further help, don't hesitate to reach out to Temu customer support for specific requests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.